Dropbox is a great service that allows you for free up to a point to store anything you want, and it will sync it across multiple devices, whether it is PC, Windows based, or Mac based, or some type of mobile device. Dropbox works with all of these and also integrates in with additional applications, which is great, meaning you could run an app like a WordPress backup plugin and it will save your files to your Dropbox. If you need a little bit more information, watch the video that displays when you go to Dropbox.com. But for now, you'll see I can log in, and the login version, I've already downloaded and installed this to my computer, and it is available for Mac, Windows, Linux, and many different mobile devices. But once I'm logged in, you'll see here's kind of my dashboard area, and so some of these are files that I share with a variety of people, and I can see, I can make a new folder, share some of my folders. I'm going to tell Chrome, yes, you could save the password. So here are the different folders that I make. If I were to create a new folder, I could name it My Backup. Click to create. So here's that My Backup folder, and obviously I have nothing in it right now. But I could also invite people to the folder and just send them an email message. And if I were to send them that email message, it would say, hey, here's the message. Please come share this file. So I've gotten requests like that. You'll also see that here are the events areas, and the events tell you what you've done and when you saved certain things. So here you see I added an application. Here it is that I have, I've been added to a particular folder, some of these things. You'll also see on the sharing settings, the sharing tab here, this shows me the different folders that I'm sharing and the different users that I'm sharing them with. And then the help area is great for going to get support. So you see there's some forums, you could submit tickets, you could find out all the different categories of applications that you can connect with, and obviously some of the typical FAQs. What you will also see is that because I've installed Dropbox, here it is in my dashboard area built into my computer. So once you have it installed, instead of navigating it through a website, I want to treat this like it's another letter drive on my computer. So here I could open up a Dropbox folder or the website. It tells me how much of my 3 gigs of space I have used, and that's just for the free version. And it will tell me any files that I've changed recently. So if I click to open the Dropbox folder, you'll see that it actually treats it as if it is, and for those of you not Mac users, for the Windows users and the Linux users, you would see this basically is kind of like another folder or letter drive on my computer. That's basically how it works. And if I were to shrink this image at the top here, you would see here are all the folders that I could browse to it the same as I would browse to things on my computer. Just the same, and it actually syncs with the website. So I could go to my hard drive, and if I looked under, for instance, my username, I could get there for that information. So there's the Dropbox folder and all of the files inside of it, and it tells me here's your Dropbox text. So Dropbox is a great feature, and they do offer additional space and savings for additional pricing, and you can find that information out just here at the very bottom. It says pricing, and also in this referrals area you can get it says that they'll give you more space for everybody that you get that joins. So if you wanted to, you could use this link that I will be sharing with you as an option. And so it's a great way just to get in and start using Dropbox. It's also a great way to share your files back and forth or to keep your files intact, whether you're looking at them from a mobile device or multiple different computers. Also, anytime that you do make an update or somebody that you're sharing that folder with makes an update, you could see a little bit of a noticeable pop-up either on the application itself, and in Windows it would be at the bottom of the screen, of course. For Mac users, I have Growl enabled, so that just means that I get this little pop-up that shows up here in the top right corner that tells me somebody added files to it. So that's Dropbox in a nutshell. Get started using them. They're a great free service that allows you to easily sync your media across many places.